More. You don't want to tip stall. Okay, now, cut your throttle. Oh, well, sort of.
Going for graceful.
Hey, it's foam, lots of glue.
I doubt I did any damage anyway.
No. You want me to take it? You got her? Bit of grass.
Awesome.
Successful maiden. A little bit of grass in the petal tube.
Well, there's your problem with your ground speed.
Yeah, there you go, yeah.
See the video of it?
Yeah. System's shut down. Yeah, she flies nice.
Surprised. For a big plane.
Yeah, the Sky Hunter's a nice bird. Nice birdie.
Let's call it a day.
I'd like to have retracts on a plane for FPV, but you'd need like a nice runway, right?
Yeah. I was hoping to see your wing. Oops, I always forget to do this.
What's that?
Because I fuck my recordings up.
Oh yeah. Sometimes the
Yeah, I need to remember to calibrate that for next time.
yeah, but the helical is good for flying behind yourself and everything. You got a 5.8 helical too, so you're running diversity, obviously, right? You got the skew planer there by the look of it, or that's the Mad Mushroom, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, she can run diversity.
Nice setup. The fucking batteries keep coming out, don't they? I got tape on mine. A lot of people, every one of them, they always come out. Here, Jim. Watch out behind you now. Your wing is right behind you. Is that a Phantom? Is that NASA?
Nothing wrong with it.
No, it flies. That
Flies
flies
really nice.
pretty good. Yeah. Man, look at that 3D thing. That red thing. What's that?
I don't know.
Man,
I had a really cool friend who fucking.
That's
printed that off.
that's an awesome cover.
I think half the problem with this is I got the Velcro on the battery cover, so
Yeah.
you gotta pull it off. And come with it.
Well, 2 good flights.
No cracking? No need to go home and repair it. That's a good day.
Yeah, it's a good day. It's good to be me. Anyways, guys, just a little episode from the Fly Guys FPV meet. Only me and Jim showed up this morning. Everybody else sleeps in. I'm
highly overrated.
I'm going on like 3 hours sleep. I didn't get off work till 1 last night.
I was up charging batteries all night.
Were you?
Well, no.
Yeah.
Just living clockwork in bed.
I didn't get home till 1, so got a few hours sleep. Luckily, I charged that my battery for the Skywalker there other night. Had it ready to go.